After a very nice breakfast, we went back to our room and we'll show you around the resort and our room as well, so you have a very good idea how it looks like. We're in room 171, which is on the first floor. There are only 2 floors in this building. So we'll show you once around our room. This is an ocean room or a Paradis Bayview room. They already gave us some nice gifts. This is some honey candy, honey and salt. And as you can see, it has a very nice king-size bed. Of course, usual stuff like a telephone. They gave you some paper and pencil to make notes. As you can see, plenty of pillows. They are very quiet rooms. They have proper blackout curtains, which is very nice, of course. Of course, you have your TV. And then there are a lot of papers, which gives you some information regarding where to eat, how to do massages, where to go for different stuff. And then this is the bathroom. So you have some storage space for a suitcase, an open closet, bathrobe, slippers, they're all there. There's an umbrella as well, a safe, shoe polish. They give you 2 bottles of water every day, that's complimentary. And then there are some items regarding the minibar, some drinks, some snacks. There is some tea as well, and there's a water cooker below also. And then this is the minibar, which I always struggle to open. I never know which side of the fridge is the side you can open. But as you can see, it's a nicely filled up minibar, but the prices are ridiculously high, of course. And then this is the bathroom with a very beautiful big bathtub. Then there are 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, body lotion, hand and body wash. Behind in a small box, there are some other amenities. I've got plenty of towels. The white ones are to be used inside. The green ones are supposed to be used outside on the beach. And then there's a shower with the same amenities, so the same soaps. You have actually you also have a shampoo here, which we're not in the middle. So yeah, you have a shampoo, conditioner, and hand and body wash. And then here you find the toilet. Has a small window. So yeah, the rooms are very nice. I'll show you once the outside also, so you have an idea how it looks like. These rooms are on the corner of the resort. They do not have a direct view to the beach. Instead, the beach is there, but just hidden behind the trees. It has kind of a bay view, but it's very quiet and it has a very nice green scenery from here also. So basically, when you leave your room and you go down from this type of room, you will end up seeing this. There is a small beach here as well, but it's kind of inside the bay, so there is not so much movement in the sea. You will not have any waves, and the water is maybe a little bit less clear than in the other parts of the hotel. But it's a very quiet area. If you want to sit by yourself, it's absolutely nice. We did sit here for one day, but we did prefer to sit in the more lively part of the hotel because the beach is a bit nicer and the sea does have some waves and it's a bit clearer. Nevertheless, this area is nice. There are some chairs, there are some areas where you can sit in the shade. And as you can see, it does have a very beautiful view. You can see the island and then you can see the beautiful clear water as well.
If you're not a big fan of sea or the beaches, you can as well swim in this beautiful pool. There are many sunbeds at the beach, but not as many as the guests, so you have to be early on time to reserve one for yourself. But to be honest, the views and as well the beaches are very beautiful. This is our view every morning because we come this way to the restaurant to have the breakfast. And here is the restaurant. You can also go to the other one, but we prefer this because it's closer to us. After a few days at the beach, we got bored and decided to book a tour to the tea museum. We're on our way. When you arrive, you register at the reception area. You pay the fee and you wait until your turn has come. There are two groups, French and English, but sometimes they put them together depending how many people are there. And then they show you around and explain the process of making tea. We had around 10 minutes before the beginning of our tour, so we spent the time in the Museum of History of Tea. What we understood, they bring all the tea leaves over here and then they sort them into these bags, which travel all the way up through these roller coasters. As you can see, they're also here. And these leaves are there for drying. The dried leaves, they are sorted into different bags. And after passing all the necessary processing, they are packed into bags, tea bags, and sort it into boxes.
Afterwards, we went to eat. If you're wondering why Hako has a dot on her forehead, we went to a Hindu temple before. If you take a look at the menu, it's a very extensive menu. There are some very interesting dishes, but the prices are quite high in the restaurant, so if you're on a budget, this is not a good choice. And we chose a fish with fries, and Hako, she chose a chicken with rice, which is kind of mixed with some tea sauce. As you can see, it's a very nice restaurant. The food is very nice.
After the tour, you get a chance for free to taste all the tea. You can try from all of them and then go to the toilet immediately. It's a pretty tour for tea lovers. You get all this beautiful view, you get to taste the tea, and you get to see a deer.
And we finish our tour at Girigiri Beach, which is a nice beach towards the south of the island. I don't think you can swim here because there are quite big waves, but it's a very beautiful beach also. So we're back at the hotel. Today is Easter, so we're just waiting to go to eat, but we are a bit too early. And this is the gift shop in the hotel, which has some very nice items. The honey candy is very nice. Welcome to the Hunger Games or the Easter buffet. As you can see, some fresh fish food as well. And they did so much effort to decorate the venue. The restaurant is really beautiful. They put eggs everywhere, decorations with chickens, and it's very nice. So let's take a look once what is there on the buffet. Let's start on the other side, maybe. Yeah, let's go here first. So this is some kids section, which has a chocolate fountain. And here, this is to make this sugar on a stick for kids. Also nice decoration, another Easter bunny with an egg. And then on the other side, more decorations. And then let's take a look here. So look how beautiful this chocolate egg is on top. They even put small chickens inside, very beautiful. And then here you can find an Easter bunny as well. This is the cold salad section, so you can make your own salad. There's plenty of choice of vegetables. Here you have some soup. Every day there's a different type of soup. And then you have kind of hors d'oeuvre, which are some cold appetizers. And on the other side is my favorite section, it's the ice cream. And next to it there are cakes and fruits. If these cakes aren't enough, there is a fridge and another fridge full of cakes. So yeah, it's a hotel for sweet tooths. And then you have some very nice breads and the rest of the buffet as well, with more decorations. There's a lot of options, different meats, vegetarian. You can basically find anything in the buffet. It's really nice. They also cater some different types of cuisine, some Asian food, some Mauritian food, some international kind of stuff. So it's very nice. And this is where we finish this video. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you on another video.